PV and battery system is connected to our wastewater treatment works here in Perth and designed to offset as much of the power as the site needs. The solar PV system we've installed generates power during daylight hours. When the system is generating more than the site demand needs, it'll flow into the batteries and be stored. It comprises two separate battery systems. Each one has the capacity to output 156 kilowatts, but energy storage, they can each hold 440 kilowatt hours. There are many different types of batteries, different chemistries that are used to store energy. This particular type is from a company called Invinity Energy Systems, and there's very little degradation in the battery. So compared to, say, a lithium-ion battery, which you'll have in your laptop or your phone, it degrades quite quickly over time, whereas these batteries should see far less degradation in the system. We expect the PV to be generating and supplying about 25% of the site's annual power demand. PV power generated offsets the demand that the site needs to take from the national grid and offers us a lower carbon solution, which is all part of the journey towards net zero.